Relationship banking, relationship banking, relationship banking. That's kind of what the banks are screaming out to say, look, that's my way of giving you better rates for you to buy your home. So let's go ahead and unpack that today. Hey everyone, this is Hanna with the Hanna Group here at Real Estate 38, and relationship banking has been a hot topic in combating these higher interest rates. So the mortgage rate, conforming rate, now mind you, this is jumbo rates, okay? This is not conforming. Bay Area, when you're buying $1.5 million, you're getting $1.2, $1.3 million loan. So it's all jumbo rates. So typically jumbo rates, these banks are not selling them off to Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, they're holding on to the loan. So they're saying, hey, look, if you leave $250,000, these are increments of how much they want you to leave in the account during that transaction and even after close of escrow. So you could move it afterward. They can't force you to keep it there, but they're hoping that you would keep it there. So let's take a scenario of a buyer. Just recently, we just helped them sell a house and they are upgrading the home and they have about $1 million in the bank. So $1 million with Wells Fargo only, by the way, you could use your down payment as relationship banking. They look at it as that, hey, your down payment you put towards house, that's relationship banking with us. Only Wells Fargo does that, Bank of America doesn't, Chase doesn't. So let's just take the average and say, hey, you have $1 million in the bank. Every $250,000 is translating into 0.1% in discount. So that would translate into about half a point cheaper if you have $1 million. If you have more than that, let's say 2 million, 3 million, 5 million, that'll give you more discounts. It's not incrementally an eighth after that. It has a ceiling. However, we have a client that just got 4.75. 4.75, that's an ARM product, 7-year ARM. And they're saying, look, I can get below the fives if I have the money. Now, some people may not have that money, but a lot of our techies that have received stock options, you could actually move that, not liquidate it, but move it to a different management company like Wells or Chase or Citi or US Bank and say, hey, I want you to hold on to this stock money that I have that I'm not selling, but I just want you to hold on to it. That can be relationship banking. So this is some of the ways that we try to help our buyers in actually get better rates. 4.875 is a hell of a lot better than 6% of what's going on right now. So yeah, working with the right team should be able to give you not only better pricing on homes, but better pricing on the rates. We don't do loans, but our relationships, our partners should be able to give you and translate that over to you. Feel free to reach out if you're thinking about buying, but you're just kind of hesitant because you're unsure about the rates being elevated. Let's bring it down for you. 408-515-1613. Bye-bye for now.